Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw some birds, so let's get started. To draw these cute birds, let's first start by drawing the one on the left. So I'm just going to come right here, and this is meant to be a super easy way to draw birds. So I'm just going to kind of draw this ovalish shape that's a little bit narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. So just have fun with this. It doesn't really matter your shape, but the general goal is just to have this ovalish shape. So I'm just going to come right here, and this one I know is going to be a little bit taller and thinner, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom. So there's just like a big rock, right? And then the one in the center, I'm going to make it a little bit shorter and chubbier. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to start, and once again I'm just going to go around and come down nice and wide right next to that one right here, and then connect. So our goal is just to aim to connect and end at the same level at the bottom. So like I said, this is meant to be super easy and fun. Okay, so then this one right here, we're just going to make this one a little bit taller, and I'll just come right here, right next to it. And once again, go ahead, bring it down and connect. So the reason I wanted to draw this for you, because it's super easy, hopefully, and also because it's just so colorful and it's just so much fun to put them together. Okay, so now you can keep going. You can have as many birds as you want, but we're just going to stick with 3 today. And so let's bring them to life, right? So our next step is to come right here. We're going to come right underneath these birds, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line right under them for now. So now that I have this straight line right under them, I'm going to come right under each bird right here, and we're going to draw 4 ovals on each bird. So this is meant to look like their feet. So just darken it in if you're using a Sharpie. And here. And same thing here. So on each bird, we're just going to draw 4 of these ovals. From there, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to work on this bird first. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle and another circle. And I'll go ahead and just put a little highlight and shade it in. Can't wait to see your fan art of this and see what kind of birds you come up with. And I'm just going to put on a big beak for this guy right here and connect. And let's give this guy here some feathers at the top. So cute, right? And then some wings, nice and long, and right here. So pretty simple so far, right? Hopefully. And we can come in here if you like and just add some of these curves just for even a little bit more detail. And then for the tail, let's come right about here. And let's see about right there. Just go ahead and connect at the bottom with a bunch of curves. From there, let's work on this cutie right here. So I'm going to give this one bigger eyes. So I'm just going to draw a bigger circle right here and here. You know what? Maybe I have enough room for some draw so cute eyes, right? Let's try. Put 2 small circles and a curve. I know I'm pushing it, but if you're drawing pretty small, just put in one highlight like this. There. Okay, it might not work. I probably have to just shade it all in, but we'll see. Okay, so now that we have those eyes in between the eyes, we're just going to draw a small little beak for this guy right here. And then a curve on top of each eye. Forgot about this one. And then let's see here on the top, let's give this bird a little feather and then some wings, of course. So about right here and here. Do that little curve. And then a little tail for this one. So let's come about right here. Let's change it up. And we're going to go 2 and 3 and 4. There. Okay, so one more. So this one right here, let's make this one, maybe the eyes are a little bit more ovalish. A little highlight, shade it in. There. Curve on each eye, and then let's make this one, the beak, nice and wide, just to change it up and connect. And then let's put a little different feather on this one, like that. And once again, the wings right here. And a tail. So this one, let's come right here. We'll make this tail a little bit longer. Now we're just going to curve 2 and 3, maybe. There. So see how different they are? It's so cute, right? So if anything, just notice that because I'm only drawing 3, I have this bird kind of leaning towards the center and this one's leaning towards there, just to make it more complete as a little group. So from there we can go ahead and let's just add a heart right here in the center. We can even add some music notes if you like, just to decorate it some more. Some here, right there. And then for this part right here, if you want your bird just maybe just on a wire, you would just leave this as a line. But if you want it on a branch, maybe you can add some more color. You just come down here and just thicken up this line. So it's all up to you. If you want them on a branch, and then you can just kind of split it right there. So now they're on a branch, right? And then you can add some leaves right there. I'll just add 2 just to simplify it and just make it this part a little bit wider. And if you're having them on a branch, you can just bring these ovals down a little bit lower. I thought just putting a branch would make it more colorful, so we can add some greens. But that is pretty much it for this group of birds that I really hope you found was simple and easy and fun to draw with me, along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.